Good Thursday evening to you. Richard Scott here with the forecast update. Cold weather coming up this weekend. Also next week, more chilly weather that will return to Alabama. Here's a look at the watch warning map and the radar. Things pretty quiet across central and west Alabama. No active weather ongoing so far tonight. 57 in Tuscaloosa, a bit warmer down to the south. Montgomery 65. This recording, by the way, about a 9:40 on this Thursday night. Tomorrow morning, bus stop forecast, rain and thunderstorms around. No severe weather, but I do expect some rain and thunder nearby. Take the umbrella to school and work in the morning. Temperatures will be going the wrong way tomorrow. By lunchtime, in the lower 50s, could be in the upper 40s by 3 o'clock, especially north of Interstate 20. It will be turning colder as that cold front works in and cold air convection takes over. Now, it is cold in the north. Look at that, single digits now across portions of Montana and North Dakota. That cold air is coming south in 2 waves, and one of those comes tomorrow. Again, the rain is increasing west of Alabama. That begins to move in. At the tip top of your screen, if you could see that, over Missouri, snow is falling up that way. But again, we're not going to see snow, obviously, here. We are far too early in the season for that. So far, rainfall amounts generally about 4/10 of an inch in Tuscaloosa, but under that in other areas across the state. So again, not everybody getting a lot of rainfall today, but some spots getting a downpour or two. Here's a forecast model into tonight. See how we have some scattered showers tomorrow morning, thunderstorms in areas, otherwise batches of rain moving across the state. That should begin to thin out by the afternoon as colder weather does take over. Tomorrow night we are all down in the 30s, and on Saturday we struggle to reach 50. Now, in terms of the first frost and freeze concern that comes in Sunday morning, 6 o'clock, temperature should be in the lower 30s across north and central Alabama. Understand you can have a frost between 33 and 35 if you got a calm wind, clear sky. And again, that is possible. I think we're going to see that across most of Alabama. To the north of Tuscaloosa and Birmingham, we'll have a light freeze for areas like Vernon, Jasper, Coleman, and Gadsden. Now, Wednesday morning will be an even colder morning. That's when that next surge of cold air comes in here. Surface high moves over us. We'll have a freeze widespread across central Alabama. Hard freeze for the Tennessee Valley counties. That's 25 and below. I do expect the temperatures between 30 and 25 across most of central Alabama. All of us going to have a freeze and frost by Wednesday morning. Football Saturday in Tuscaloosa, temperatures at 11 o'clock in the mid-40s. If you're going to be tailgating in Bryant-Denny around the stadium, 2:30 kickoff for the Bama-Mississippi State game. Low 50s at kickoff. By the end of the game, low 40s. Rain chance coming up over the next 12 hours or so, depending on what time you watch this. Again, it's currently 9:45 on this Thursday night, so tomorrow morning, rain likely. We drop the rain chance for Saturday. Sunday late in the day, a couple of showers will be possible, then another high rain chance on Monday. Forecast tonight, mid-50s. We top out in the mid-50s tomorrow morning, falling temperatures by the afternoon. I do expect a chilly Friday. Chilly weather for Saturday despite the return of some sunshine. Veterans Day, clouds increase, highs in the 50s. Again, cold start to Sunday morning. Rain likely on Monday. Monday's going to be a cold, rainy day. We could stay in the 40s much of the day. Highs only in the lower 40s on Tuesday. Bitterly cold. It's going to be like winter time. Unbelievable for early to mid-November. Now, we do have a freeze in the forecast for Tuesday night and Wednesday night. Both of those nights, a high potential for freeze and frost.